After 3 generations in the Mate X foldable series, Huawei finally unveiled its first clamshell foldable phone, the Huawei P50 Pocket. It brings a Huawei patented hinge mechanism with no visible gap when closed. P50 Pocket continues the design language laid out by the Huawei P50 series and uses a custom-made 3D structured glass design. There's a 6.9-inch 120Hz OLED main screen with a tall 21:9 aspect ratio and 2790x1188px resolution. Huawei went with a punch hole cutout on the top which houses the selfie camera. The small 1-inch cover screen can do more than just tell the time, date, and notifications. It has its own service widgets for first and third-party apps like maps, music players, and QR codes. You can start navigating on the big screen, close the phone and continue to see directions on the cover screen. P50 Pocket comes with 3 cameras: a 40MP main cam with a 26mm equivalent lens alongside a 13MP f/2.2 ultra-wide snapper, and a 32MP f/1.8 ultra spectrum camera, which should boost color rendering. There's a Snapdragon 888 4G at the helm aided by 8/12GB RAM and 256/512GB storage. The software side is covered by Harmony OS, while the battery comes in at 4000 mAh capacity and supports 40W wired charging. The foldable measures 7.2mm in its unfolded state, 15.2mm when folded, and weighs 190 grams. Huawei P50 Pocket comes in white and black colors, as well as a special premium edition gold trim. The standard P50 Pocket comes in a single 8/256GB trim and retails for 8,988 Chinese yuan, which equals $1,410. The special edition gold model with 12/512GB will cost 10,988 Chinese yuan, $1,725. First sales in China start today. International availability was not detailed just yet, but we got a confirmation from a Huawei official that it is coming.